Hi, I'm Kevin Mullen, and this is an electric skateboard that we made ourselves. We wanted an electric skateboard that was a lot cheaper than the ones that you can buy on the internet, because those are thousands of dollars. So instead, we made our own for just a couple $100s. So it uses these two hub motors, which are motors built into the skateboard wheels on this specialized truck, and it then uses a Dewalt lithium-ion drill battery, 20 volt max, and then two electronic speed controllers wired in, and then a transmitter and receiver that control the wheels just like that. And then you just hop on and you ride.
Gnarly!
No, just do the moving stuff.
Ah, it's rolling away. Luckily it's an electric skateboard. Sit.